Hey guys, Miss Indri's going to read you a little story and then we are going to put the story parts in order. So we're going to put some pictures in order according to how they happened in the story. So let's listen to this story. Sally went to school. First she had music, then she had lunch, and then last she had math. So let's listen again. Sally went to school. First she had music. Next, she had lunch. Last, she had math. So let's think about it. What did it say she had first? Was it math, lunch, or music? Music. Very good. All right. Next, she had, let's read it again so that we don't have a hard time remembering. Sally went to school. First, she had music. Next, she had lunch. Last, she had math. So what did she have after music? Right, lunch. And then finally, it said last she had math. Very good. All right, let's do one more. Rose is getting ready for school. First, she brushes her teeth. Then she brushes her hair. Last, she gets dressed. All right, so what did it say she did first? Miss Andrew's going to read it one more time, and I want you to really pay attention. Rose is getting ready for school. First, she brushes her teeth. Then she brushes her hair. Last, she gets dressed. All right, so what did she do first? Brush her teeth. Very good. Then she brushed her hair. And then last, she did what? She got dressed. Very good. So sometimes when you listen to a story, it's good to think back on how these things happened in order, like what order things happened. All right, guys, see you later.